Hello and welcome to another video by wpfixnow.com. In this video we're going to show you how to disable comments from your website. Now comments can be posted onto pages, posts and media items as well, such as your videos and your images that you may have on your site. Now what I'm going to show you is how to disable comments, we say for instance on existing posts, on existing pages, right? To disable them going forward, you would go into under settings, you go into discussion, and under discussion you'd have this checkbox here. Make sure that's unchecked. That's allow people to post comments on new articles. Uncheck that item there, scroll down, hit save. Now that will disable them in the future from your posts, pages and media items. But how about if you have them at the moment already on your pages? What would you do if you have comments on pages already? Pages are allowing you to post comments. What you need to do is go in here, select them all, like that, go into pages, select them all, bulk action, edit, apply, and scroll over here to comments and say do not allow. Do not allow, and hit update. Now that will stop comments from being posted onto the existing pages of your site, and then to stop them from existing posts on your site, the ability to post a comment that is on your existing posts, you need to multiple select them again, go in here and hit edit, and it'll come up here. There we are, it's up there now. And likewise you go over here to comments and you will say do not allow, and you update it. Now we can see that there is already an existing comment on this particular post here. This line over here is telling us, this column. So to get rid of existing comments on your site, you would scroll over to comments from the dashboard and multiple select again, and you would move them to the bin. That's moving all your comments, because people would use comments to get backlinks to sites. So it can be either a manual task or it can be automated. I'll show you a bit of that in a second. Now you go into bin, you multiple select all the comments. Thanks be there's only one comment there at the moment, and you would go in there and empty the bin. That will remove all comments that are on my site now at the moment. But how about if you want to, on the media, remove comments from the media? If we go up to media into your library, and you will see that there's no way of doing it. There's no way to block comments. So what you would need there is a plugin. I mean, you can either go into code that would involve a change to the PHP files in your team folder, but I don't want to show you that today. It's a bit complicated for you, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new plugin. So a plugin that I always add when I'm developing new sites is this one here. If I go into, I'm in the repository now, the plugin repository, and if I go into disable comments, and the first one that comes up is this one here by Samir Shah. It's got 1 million installations. He's only updated it 2 months ago, so it's pretty new, and it's compatible with my version of WordPress as well. Now if I go in there, install it, and then of course once you install a plugin, you have to activate it. And let's see, the connection is very slow today. So I'm in here now, and if I go into settings and disable comments, you will see this is what you can do on certain post types. So I can choose post, pages and media. I don't want to have comments on them ones. In the future there'll be no spam will be on my site. Okay, that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and like it. And subscribe to my channel as well. There's a button down below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please feel free to follow us on Facebook as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day.